You really got me now. How's it going? You got me so I can't see right now. You really got me. You really got me. We took it on tour. Audiences liked it. We went in the recording studio. My brother looked at me across the studio. He said, "This time I will not fuck up." It's the last time he ever said that. I've been doing it ever since. But he turned into the corner of that studio. He was 17 years old when he did it. And he turned cockily, looked at me and winked, and played himself and our band into rock and roll history. You really got me now. You got me so